Okay, so when you check this guy out and do all the math, you should get 125 over 24. All right, so I want to do one more graph. So let's see. Okay, so this one is the one I want to do. Let's find the area under the curve, between the curve x cubed minus 4x and y equals 0. So, first, this is a cube function, positive, so it's going to look like that, right? And y equals 0 is just this line, so it looks like we're going to be looking at that and that, right? Those two pieces. So we're going to have two sections where one is on the top and the other one isn't. So we have to know where they would hit 0, so we need the zeros. So let's factor this, x, and we get x squared minus 4. So we have x and x plus 2 and x minus 2, remembering difference of squares. So draw that a little bigger. We have a 0 at 0 and at 2 and negative 2. So this guy comes down through here, goes up, and comes down through here. So, and these are going to be equal. So, okay. Now we want this total area. So when we do this, we have to go from negative 2 to 0 of the top one, which will be the x cubed minus 4x, minus the bottom one, which just is y equals 0, so minus 0 dx. So you just do that. And then we have to add to that 0 to 2 of this top one, which would be 0, minus the bottom one, which is x cubed minus 4x dx. So all together, let's try to put that together. Negative 2 to 0 of x cubed minus 4x dx plus 0 to 2 of, that would make it negative x cubed plus 4x dx. All right, so then taking the integrals, that would be x to the 4th, 1/4 x to the 4th, minus 4x squared over 2, or 2x, from negative 2 to 0, plus 0 to 2 of, oops, not doing that, sorry, taking the antiderivative. That would be negative 1/4 x to the 4th plus 2x squared. Let's see, 2x squared. This is supposed to be 2x squared. 2x squared, that would mess things up. Okay, from 0 to 2. Okay, so when I worked out all the math, you can check yours against mine. I ended up getting 8 for that. So there's an example where you had to split it into chunks, okay? Bottom line, this takes a lot of work. Many times you can use your calculator. You need a lot of practice to get better at it, and we'll keep plugging along. So for your homework, I want you to do the circuit training, okay? So do the circuit training, or try as many problems as you can, and I will see you Wednesday, hopefully, if everything goes okay.